Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. So here's what we're doing today. I was saying before I want to get all this old rusted hardware. The rollers on these windows, they're seized up. Well, that one they spin, but they're just getting old and broke, and you know, some stuff is missing or it's frozen, and yeah, I would like to replace this stuff, so this is where we're at. So what I did already is I washed these windows off. Yeah, they're still dirty. I still got to clean them a little bit more, but I got them washed off for now, and I'm going to start removing this hardware that's on here. So give me just a moment here and let me get started, and I'll show you what I'm doing. So the first thing that I actually did is I have the windows set up, and sorry for the lighting, it's kind of crappy down here, but I went ahead and bought this tool here, and this tool goes into these holes here like that, and then you put a wrench on this, and this allows you to unscrew the window pieces. So the first thing I guess I'm gonna do before I do anything, I'm gonna start squirting everything down with a little bit of teeny bit of WD-40 and start getting that soaking in, because that's gonna really help get this stuff loosened up and hopefully help me avoid breaking the glass. So let me get this window that's in the back, I'm gonna start spraying that down. So while I'm working on this, that'll have time to penetrate, and yeah, I'll be right back. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, and let me see if I can zoom in and get a better angle on this, is I got this piece here, not the roller, but the other piece, and I got that squirted down and lubed up. So I want to try and get this off here. There we go. So that's turning. However, I'm gonna go ahead and clamp the back of this. And I should probably use a wrench, but I don't have one down here. This is what I got, so this is what I'm using. So there we go. Now I'll take this . And there we go. We have these pieces off here. I'm zoomed in, but yep, I got those off here. I'm just gonna set them aside. And if this other one were in, I would remove that as well, but that was missing. So this side is pretty much done. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean up where this was. Put some window cleaner. And I'm probably gonna have to get a razor to get this clean really good. Okay, so we got the other side of the window cleaned off. Now this is the side with the roller in it, right there. So I just want to set it down. I'm gonna go ahead and get this loosened up. It's kind of loose already, so I don't know if that's good or not. I don't know if this is seized, but clamp this in. And then again, I'm gonna take my tool, put some pressure on it. Oh, okay. And get it unscrewed. go. And I'm just kind of keeping everything together as I got it off, because I just want to remember how everything goes so I can get it back together exactly how it's supposed to be. Alrighty, so now we're going to move on over to this side here. We're going to take this off here. There we go. Just keep that all together. And then pop this out. There we go. And get this cleaned up. I'm just going to scrub this down. And I'll flip it over to get the other side, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to show you how the assembly process goes with this right here. It's going to be the same on both windows. So you're going to start off with this piece here that comes in your kit. It's going to go right on there. Second piece is going to be this metal piece. This top notch is going to go in here, and this is going to slide in like that. Then you're going to grab these pieces here. You're going to grab a metal piece that looks like this, and then this right here, that's going to go in there, and then this is just going to screw in to the nut, or onto the bolt that's on the other underside of this here. Okay, so give me a sec here. I'm actually going to flip this around so I can work on it the other way. So give me a moment here. Okay, I didn't have to flip it over. So what I did is I just put this on the other side, and I just used this and screwed it on. Got it hand tight right there. You're going to see this hole here. Yep, you're going to put a new plastic dealy bobber thingy on. I don't know the technical term for this, but it's just gonna slide in and snap in like that. There we go. So that's in. Next, we're gonna move to this hole here, which if you look up on the window, I put that thing in and that thing, so we're moving to the next one, and that's right here. Let me get it washed off and I'll be right back. Okay, so this next part here, you're gonna get the bolt that looks like that. You're gonna get one of these and put that on there. Then you're gonna take just a flat plastic washer like this, and this is just going to slide on here. So this bolt will slide up through here, and this is just going to screw down on to there. go. That one's on. I went ahead and tightened this one up because I was able to get to these on this side. And then your old nut will screw onto there. So there we go. So next we're gonna move in over to these sets of holes here. For this top hole, it's exactly what we just did. So we're going to be doing that again. It's gonna be this with this. Then a flat one, then a flat one, and a cap. So I'm not sure if the camera picked that up, but it'll be this right here, what we just did, with this plastic thing with a little hat looking thing, and then these two. So those will go up. There we go. And that one's on. Now this final one here, this is going to be this roller here. Then we're gonna put the metal collar on, and it's slotted so it fits into there. Then we're gonna put this rubber piece on here, just like that. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and get this here. And then we're gonna use a plastic collar here, like that. And then this will slide in this way. And this is gonna thread on to the bottom. And then once I flip that over, I'll get that tightened down. And then the final thing that we got to put in is another one of these star little dealy bobber things. And then we just snap it in here. And then there we go. That is the, let me zoom out. That's the replacement of all these. And that's how they go on. I do have to get another nut for that one, but that's okay. But that's where we're at. That's how you replace those. So the only thing I gotta do is I just gotta finish tightening these couple ones down, and then we will be good to go.